Hi. So this is my morning hair ever since I cut my hair, and yeah, it's not great. My bangs keep doing this. Every time I wake up I have this situation. I cut my hair because it was dead, so we needed to cut it, but I do not know how to style hair. Also, it's very dead, so we must figure out a way to do heatless curls. I feel like that always when you watch tutorials on YouTube on something that you want to get better at, it always seems to work out for people and not for me. I'm not trying to be negative here, it's just, I don't know, it's a thing. Sleeping like this is awful. I don't know how women in the 50s did it. It sucks. Yeah, hopefully it looks good. Okay, apparently now I have to brush this out and then magically vintage hair will appear. That's what the internet told me. So why do people on the internet look so good? No effort or the same outcome. And then there's this. Okay, wait. Ooh. Okay, everybody just said to keep brushing, so try and keep the faith. I was going for something super sexy, but this just looks, sorry. On camera, it's like, yeah, not that bad. And in real life, you're like, oh. Okay, wait. Oh yeah, that definitely fixed it. It's not bad, it's just, I don't know. Oh, that feels good, actually. Yeah, I think I'm gonna, yeah. Okay, next! This is what it looks like after sleeping. I have very high hopes for this one because it seems to work for like everyone on YouTube. Oh, I tied this very... they're very stuck. There we go. No, we don't. We're not going. Ow, this was a mistake. I'm not sure if you can see. Hey. Ow. Not even close. Why do people on YouTube make it seem so easy? It's a lie. Okay, there we go, I think. Boom. Effortless, overnight, heatless curls in 3, 2, 1. Okay, you know the problem is, right? This haircut, I thought I'd look like Taylor Lachey, but it's more like Mad Hatter vibes. I'm actually not disappointed. I am when it looks like this, but I think it's the haircut. Is it the haircut? I don't know. I think the back's just a bit too long, maybe? Actually, wait, am I gonna cut this? Yeah, we're gonna cut this now. Hold on. Is it better now or did I just ruin it? Well, we're not getting naked right now. Okay, but here we are. Let's watch some tutorials and see what I can do with this. They all do stuff with like braids and I can't braid to save my life. Like maybe that's just because I don't do anything with grace. So they do stuff with hair ribbon thingies. I don't have that. This is from a dress because it's stupid, but it works. It ain't stupid. She's doing like, this actually looks pretty cool. Are you kidding me? Okay, I know this haircut is still really fucked up, but we're just gonna forget about that. What? I can actually do this. That's new. Yes, I thought this was going to be a roller coaster ride of bad decisions and tears and chocolate, but I'm not mad, I'm not mad. Hairscarf also works. Not completely, but kind of. I'm gonna do this a lot. Do you want to take me on a picnic? Sorry. Okay, cool. We're gonna enter the harder part that I'm not so good at, which is updos and stuff. So, gonna take a section of the hair. And then she takes a scrunchie. Have that. I don't understand how so many girls can pull off like half updo, and when I do it, it looks like, it doesn't look good. Yeah, on to the next one. And we're back. I mean, this also doesn't really look good. Just keep trimming, just keep trimming, just keep trimming, trimming, trimming. Did that work? I don't know. Did I just nail that? I really think I did. I mean, this is kind of cute. I mean, if you ask me, do you miss your long hair? Oh my god, yes. But, I mean, new year, new me, right? I took it quite literally and, yeah. It just looks good sometimes. I was just gonna do a short hairstyle try video thing, but instead, this happened. I do think it looks better though, now that I've got it. There's hair everywhere. Oh, I wonder what this would look like with sunglasses. Hold on. Oh, cute. I like this. It's kind of the first time in my life it's going quite well. I accidentally zoned out with the scissors because there were just a few bits and pieces that I thought still needed trimming. And I really ruined it. Okay, here we go. Hi, sorry for cutting away. I got a wig. I figured it would be better to make it as a two-parter video. Look at me doing all YouTubey. I need to be on television next week. Can't tell you what it's for, actually can't. But definitely didn't want to do it with the hair that's under here right now. So stay tuned for the actual hair fill footage because it's going to be here in like a few days. And in the meantime, I'm going to watch a lot of Mondo videos, see if I can make this wig look less fake. Because she's a lot. By the way, it would be lovely if you subscribed because I'm really trying to grow this channel. I'm having so much fun here. Yes, no, you should just ask people to subscribe, but okay, hold on. Am I really gonna do this? Yes. Okay, wait. So if you hit the subscribe button, I will give you a sound effect. Are you ready? Here you go. 3, 2, 1. If you did it, thank you. If you didn't do it, that's okay. It's a free world and I hope you have a wonderful day anyway. So yeah, stay tuned for the next video and I will see you in a few days. Bye! Bye! Such a good